Here I have Motorola Moto G41, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. So what you have to do is just put the tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly push it, the slot will come out, and here you have to put your SD card, and right next to it your SIM card, and then put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. So let's enter PIN code, and there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.